I know you're listening. It makes you better. Wow. Carter. It makes you better at reading. Are there any other reasons that we might reread a book? Inslee.
Because you really like it and someone already read it to you.
Okay, so we really like it. We've got that up there. Are there any other things? Michael, can you think of a reason why you might reread a book?
Because it might be fun.
It's fun. Okay, we can even put that. It's fun. Okay, we're going to read David Gets in Trouble Again. It's fun. Do you know what? I have a book at home. It's by my favorite author, Carlos Ruiz Zafón, and I've read the book 3 times.
Oh.
I like it so much. Inslee, we're getting ready to read. David Gets in Trouble. Look at the front cover. Is he looking sad?
Yeah.
He is. Let's see what happens. Have you ever gotten in trouble?
Really?
I have. And are you sad when you get in trouble?
Yes.
Me too. David gets in trouble. When David gets in trouble, he always says, "No, it's not my fault." Ooh, look at him. I didn't mean to.
I can hold it.
It was an accident. Uh-oh. Do I have to? What are they wanting to do on this page?
Eat the eggs.
Shakayla.
Eat his eggs and drink his
Eat his eggs and drink his juice, and he is not wanting to. And then he says, "Yes, it was me. I'm sorry. I love you, Mom." Okay.
Who wrote that?
Why did we reread this book?
Yeah,
What are
you
some of the
wrote
reasons
that.
that, Carter, thank you for looking at me. What are some of the reasons that we read this book again, or we reread it? Tell me. We like it. What's another reason? Deborah, what's another reason we read this book again?
Because we want to get better.
We want to get better. Yes.
We like the book.
We like the book. Zach,
Because it's new.
do you know what? When we were rereading this book, yes, Gianna, we like to read all the time. When we were reading this book, do you know what I noticed about you guys? You were laughing. You were your eyes were on the page, and it made it seem like this was a book that you really liked.
No, David was my baby.
Together we're going to wait. Can I have your eyes on me, and I want you to listen carefully. Carter, are you listening? Thank you so much. We're going to go back to your tables. And when we go back to the tables, I want you to find a book. Emma, I want you to find a book in the box at your table that you've already read at least one time, and I want you to reread the book. So find a book that you like, that you think will make you better at reading, or a book that you think is fun. When we finish reading, we're going to come back to the carpet and share about why we reread that book. Now, when we leave the carpet, remember there's to be 0 noise level. Get off me. I'd like everyone to quietly, 0 noise level, go to their tables and get started finding a book to reread. This is it.
What does that one say?
100, then 2D.
From?
The zoo.
What is it?
Oh, God. Cinderella, dressed in yellow, went upstairs and kissed the bells. Cinderella. What about 1, 2, 3? Ooh, I don't love this one. It's just potato.
Johnny gave me.
This is a book that you've already read before. You're rereading this one? Okay. You want to read Fox in Socks?
Honey, what?
Starts at W. What it says. Take it slowly. This book is
I'm on a prologue. Fox and
Stop.
good.
Good. You can read
Look.
it. Read it for me.
Fox, potato, watermelon.
That's what it said.
Nice.
You told me. David's reading.
Nice. All right. Erwin, would you like to share the book that you reread for us today?
Yes, please.
Yes, thank you. Good. Show us your book. Ooh. Froggy. Froggy goes to the doctor. It's going to be Erwin's turn to share. Could you share with us why you chose to reread that book?
I wanted to read this book again because I like frogs and I like froggy books.
You like
and,
frogs?
And I like and yesterday I went to the doctor and they examined back to me.
Oh my word. It reminded you of something that had happened to you and it was funny and you like frogs. Oh, I love that. Thank you for sharing. Zachary, would you like to share why you reread that book?
Yes.
Show me how to sit on your sitter. Thank you. And what do you say?
Yes.
Yes, thank you. Good. Show us your book. That's a big book. What's it called?
It's called The Alphabet.
Ooh. Tell us why you chose to reread that book.
Because there's little shapes in the middle and it's really funny.
There's little shapes in the middle. What do you mean by little shapes in the middle? Could you show us?
Here's a shape.
Let's hold it up and show everybody.
Like-
Oh.
Like that.
And it flips and then there's a letter. Very cool. I would say that's a fun book.
That's
Zachary, what's another reason that you chose that book?
because I like.
You like it. Good. Shakayla,
I got this book.
could you show us the book? Ooh, Fox and Socks.
I chose this book.
Oh, excuse me. Remember, Shakayla, if I say, would you like to share, you say, yes, thank you. Would you like to share your book with us?
Yes, thank you.
Good, show us.
I chose this book because I like this book because it's about Fox and Socks.
Could you read it some? You read some of it to us, didn't you? Very nice.
Can I read one page?
Read one page. Show it to us. Read that
Fox,
first.
Fox,
Nice. Very nice. Boys and girls, put your books on the floor in front of you. Eyes on me. You did a very, very nice job. This was the first day that we've had any sharing after our readers workshop. And we'll be doing this from now on. We'll have a little lesson, we'll practice, and then we're going to come back and share. And everybody will get a chance to share. Now, could you quietly take your books, go back to your tables, and